We all are, in fact, all the ages group. We are always satisfied and we really never get hurt. What happened? Am I wrong? Isn't it that right? Well, the reality is most of us usually get hurt very frequently. Have you ever realized what are the reasons behind the pain, or what is the exact situation from where this pain arises? Well, in today's video, I'm going to share few reasons and how to get through that. So before I begin, show the reel. Welcome back, guys. My name is Minati. I'm an international speaker, trainer, entrepreneur, a spiritual life coach and an artist. So today we're going to talk about why usually we get hurt and what are the reasons and how can we get through that. So to begin with, the first one is expectations. Do you know that expecting nothing from others is also an expectation? Most of us do lots of things for other people and also tend to measure things which we have done for others. And do you know what? We expect the same thing in return. But why do we expect? No one has asked you to do that. You did it because you wanted to. You know the biggest problem is we hurt ourselves by expecting from others, and if we don't get anything in return, we get disappointed, we get disheartened. So stop expecting. Remember, we cannot change people. What we can change is change our mindset. So once we stop expecting, just do for others because you love to do, and then you won't get any disappointment ever. And the second one is pleasing others. Being kind and good to others is very important, but there is a difference between being nice and pleasing others. There are many people who want everyone to be happy around themselves, or you can say they want to create an impact in the society, and for that they end up pleasing others. They want everyone to like them. But remember, you can't help everyone to like you. So stop pleasing. You need to please yourself to follow your dreams. You need to please yourself that you have enough caliber to chase your goals. So stop pleasing others, because if you start pleasing others, there's when if they don't like you, and you'll get hurt, you'll get disappointed. For example, you have got Instagram, you have got Facebook, and you have liked or commented on some of your friends' pictures, and you want them in return to like your pictures. You can't force them to like your pictures. If they don't like your pictures, then you'll end up getting hurted. So stop doing that. And the third one is being selfish. It is very, very important to be selfish in life. Being selfish doesn't mean selfish in a negative way. You need to be selfish in a positive way. For example, if you want to share love, then it's very important to love yourself first. Be selfish, love yourself. Because if you don't know how to love, then it won't be, you cannot share love very perfectly. And what will happen? You will end up in breakups, in disappointed or cheating relationships. So learn how to love yourself first. There are many people who are excellent givers but very poor receivers. This is the reason. Be selfish. Love yourself. First, give time to yourself. think about yourself first. Value yourself. The moment you start valuing yourself, then you can value others. You will understand the value of others. So, be selfish, but in a positive way. I hope this video might have been helpful to you guys in your life. So if you really liked my video, so do hit the thumbs up button, that is the like button, and also do comment in the comment section about the learnings from my video. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell to get the instant notification about my future videos. So for today, love and light to everyone out there. Namaste.